Hey guys, and welcome to my quarantine cuisine video. This time I'm doing a classic spaghetti and meatballs. So I'm starting with some ground beef. Normally I use ground turkey, but as you guys know, the stores are running out of things pretty quickly these days. So I'm just using what's available and just making the best of it. So here you see I have browned my beef with some bell pepper and onions, drained it, and now I'm gonna make my sauce. That was another thing that the store was low on, so I grabbed some canned tomatoes so that I can kind of bulk up my sauce, make it a little more hearty. And I've made some meatballs for my husband. He loves meatballs with his spaghetti, so I have to throw those in there. Okay, so now that my meat is done, I'm going to now boil my noodles. I salt my water, but I also add olive oil so that the pasta does not stick together after I drain it. And I like to use angel hair pasta or the thin spaghetti noodles. That's just my preference. So now that the water is boiling and all angry, I'm gonna cook the pasta, and once it's done, I'm gonna add it to my meat sauce. I'm gonna plate it, add my meatballs and Parmesan cheese and some parsley to garnish it, and a slice of garlic bread, because that's the only way to enjoy this. Thanks for watching.